Hello, I am Soheila Sheik. In this ImmerSAFE Science Slam, I will present about augmented reality safety issues and dependability in vision-centered systems. I will explain about why dependability analysis is important, then basic concepts of dependability and what is augmented reality extended humans, and finally steps to analyze dependability in a system containing augmented reality. Why dependability analysis is important? Because failure in a system can cause human injury or death, it can destroy all the budget of the project, and it can be harmful for the environment. For example, Turok 25 radiation therapy machine, which was not properly tested, and it gave radiation doses hundreds of times greater than normal. The result was 6 people injured and 4 dead. Qualitative definition of dependability is the ability to deliver services that can be justifiably trusted. And quantitative definition is the ability to avoid service failures that are more frequent and more severe than is accepted to the user. Dependability attributes. The first one is availability, means readiness for correct service. Second one is reliability, continuity of correct service. Third one is safety, which is absence of catastrophic consequences on the user and the environment. Integrity is absence of improper system alterations, and maintainability is ability to undergo modifications and repairs. Failure is an event or transition that occurs when the delivered service deviates from correct service. And the way in which a system can fail is the failure mode. There are different categorizations for failure modes. One of them is Pumphrey, which divides failure modes to 3 categories. The first one is service provisioning, which is related to the provision of the output. Service timing, which is related to the time of the output, if it is early or late. And service value, which is related to the range of the value and if it can be detected by the user. One of the examples of analysis approach is HAZOP. It identifies possible causes and consequences of the condition. In this method, a table is provided, and for each failure, the possible causes and consequences should be considered. To perform a dependability analysis, a subset of activities should be done from development process according to corresponding standards. For example, ISO 26262 is a functional safety standard for road vehicles. Based on this standard, preliminary architecture without safety measures should be defined. Analysis and risk assessment of this architecture should be done. Safety requirements should be defined. And finally, all these steps should be documented in a safety case argument. Augmented reality, for example, immersive visual technology augment the human's capabilities. For example, in this picture, you can see that some visual information are shown on the windshield of the car as augmented reality. This information can help the driver to decide better, but if it is not properly designed, it may contribute to the decrease of humans' awareness. For example, distracting driver. We should consider effect of augmented reality on human. By using these new technologies, human can be extended, or the functions can be extended. For example, detecting function in human can be extended as surround detecting. It means that a human, while using augmented reality, will have an extended capability, and this person can detect surrounding environment of the car. So this is a new function of this human, and it will introduce new kind of failures that should be considered while doing dependability analysis. Finally, steps to analyze dependability in a system containing augmented reality. The first step is to model the architecture of the system. Then, using augmented reality, extended human failure taxonomy as a foundation for failure logic-based analysis. This taxonomy is a failure taxonomy by considering the new failures because of using this technology. Third step is extension of the modeling and analysis techniques and tool plugin based on these new technologies. And finally, evaluating the effectiveness of such approach. Thank you for your consideration.